We are traveling in one of Kenya's most sophisticated transport systems ever undertaken since independence, the standard gauge railway. This is a journey of approximately 468 kilometers, a 5-hour journey from Mombasa to the capital of Kenya, Nairobi. The construction of this railway line linking Nairobi to Mombasa was undertaken by the China Roads and Bridge Corporation at the cost of $3.6 billion, making it Kenya's most expensive infrastructure project as at the time that it was launched.
Good morning. Everything that has a beginning obviously has an end. And sorry, my voice is kind of breaking. My tour of Diani is finally coming to an end in a very emotional way. So it's been 3 weeks, actually 3 to 1 month, I don't even know. But I've kind of got so attached to this place. So yeah, right here I'm at the SGR. I'm traveling back to Nairobi, and I've just printed my ticket. Travel with me, 20 kazi. Good morning. So like we said, we're traveling, and a lot of things that we bought here are way expensive. So it's advisable to buy things outside rather than buying them here. Like I just bought a small Coca-Cola at 100 shillings. That is very expensive, almost double the price. So we're still waiting. We've already checked in. I'm waiting to board the train, and I hope it's going to be as enjoyable as I anticipated. It's my first time on Madaraka Express. It's cheaper than flying and faster than driving. So let's have the experience and see how it goes.
Now the story goes that more than 600 years ago, Chinese explorer John Hong's fleet visited Africa 4 times. During one of his visits, he brought silk and Chinese antiques to Kenya. In return, he was gifted giraffes by the local people in Malindi. Now this cemented the Kenya-China relations. Now when the Chinese built the standard gauge railway, they took John Hong's statue and put it in the SGR Mombasa terminus to act as a permanent reminder of the friendship that Kenya has with China. We are right at the heart of a jungle far away from human existence. It's a journey across some of the driest and least inhabited parts of Kenya. It's a journey across hills with dry rocks standing tall in their full glory. The view is magnificent.
So guys, we finally arrived in Nairobi. 5-hour long journey. 68 kilometers.
The Nairobi terminus and all the other terminuses are equipped with modern, up-to-date lifts and elevators, making it very easy and convenient to move up and down the terminuses.
Guys, we are in Nairobi, and that was 60. That was the longest train journey I ever had. 5 hours, 468 kilometers, and now I'm jumping onto another train that is taking me inside of Nairobi. It's called the Nairobi commuter train. Let's see how it goes. SGR experience has been amazing, guys. I gave it a rating of 9/10. Read me in person and ask me what the 1% stands for. Ladies and gentlemen, right behind me is the Nairobi commuter train. It took me from the SGR terminus and then right at the heart of Nairobi. A bumpy ride indeed. It wasn't as comfortable as the SGR, but it's cheaper. It's 50 shillings from the SGR Nairobi terminus, and of course buses will take twice the price. So it's a cheap and economical way of transport to the city center, especially if you have traveled with the SGR. It takes you right there. So that has been my experience. It's amazing to be here. Until next time, see you in the next video.